Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video we'll be discussing foods to avoid when trying to conceive. So stay connected as we explore. Numerous factors can impact on individuals or couples' ability to conceive because fertility is a complex process. In your pursuit of conceiving, it is crucial that you pay attention to your diet as food and nutrition plays a significant role in one's health and fertility. Making careful food choices is essential for mothers trying to conceive, as the nutrients in the food directly impacts the body, cells, organs, and overall well-being. According to studies, there is a link between nutrition and fertility as well as infertility. Whether you're a woman trying to conceive naturally and have a healthy pregnancy, or a man trying to impregnate your partner, this video will help you identify those foods to avoid until you achieve your goals of conception and a healthy pregnancy. So let's find out these foods to avoid during your period of trying to conceive. 1. Refined grains. Refined grains are grains that have been processed into white flour by removing their bran and germs. This type of flours are commonly used in products such as bread, pasta, noodles, and some other breakfast cereals. However, it is important to know that these flours contain empty calories and have little or no nutrients. Additionally, these foods have high glycemic index, which studies have shown that high glycemic index foods have negative impact on fertility. So in contrast, you can opt in for whole grains, which have been studied to contain vitamins and minerals that are important for proper body functions. Consuming refined grains in excessive amount could lead to ovulation problem in women and low sperm count in men. Therefore, it is advisable to go for whole grains rather than refined grains, especially when trying to conceive. The number 2 food you should try to avoid when trying to conceive are fast foods. Fast foods such as burgers, cakes, ice cream, sweet chocolates, and donuts are prepared by adding refined sugars, which increases their sugar contents. These foods are very high in saturated fats, trans fat, and cholesterol, posing a health risk such as increased blood sugars, heart attacks, obesity, bad blood cholesterol, especially when consumed in excessive amounts. Research has suggested that stomach fats, high blood pressure, and other factors caused by these foods can contribute to infertility. So therefore, consuming these foods could reduce your chances of conception. Another reason why you should avoid fast foods is because of fibroid, because they increases rapidly by the consumption of high sugary foods, which in turn causes fallopian tube blockage, leading to lack of conception or lack of implantation in women. The number 3 food you should try to avoid while trying to conceive are processed meats. Processed meats contains various substances and chemicals used in preserving them. For example, nitrate used in meat curing can introduce a harmful substances to your meat, and once these meats are ingested in your body, they can actually affect your body systems. Grilled meats can also produce cancerous compounds such as heterocyclic amines and polycyclic amines. These compounds are also called ROS. These compounds can interfere with your body organs and contribute to degenerative diseases. They can even cause hormonal imbalances, infertility, mutations, preeclampsia, and other health issues. Research has also indicated that women who include fish in their diet may have a higher likelihood of getting pregnant compared to those who primarily consume processed meat. So if you are trying to conceive, or if you're a TTC mom, please avoid processed meats. So the 4th food you should try to avoid when trying to conceive is alcohol. Alcohol consumption can be a problem for both the men and the women. Alcohol can inhibit the metabolism of vitamin A in the liver, which is needed for the testes to produce quality sperm and for sperm mobility in men. And for the women, alcohol can affect menstrual cycle, leading to irregular menstruation, ovulation problems, and other fertility issues. So the 5th food you should also consider to avoid when you are trying to conceive is caffeine. Caffeine consumption has been shown to halt women's fertility. According to the Fertility Society of Australia, caffeine intake may lengthen pregnancy and can adversely affect the health of a developing fetus. It can also lead to hormonal imbalances and ovulation disorders. Caffeine is commonly found in tea, coffee, and other beverages. When trying to conceive, it is advisable to limit the consumption of caffeine-based products, and if should be consumed, it should be in a very low amount and in an extended period. The last on our list is soda. Soda is dehydrating and could cause the weakening of organs like the reproductive organs. It contains high sugars and phosphoric acid that causes bone disorder, thereby leading to weaker bones and osteoporosis. This in turn affects the developing fetus because they need lots of calcium for their development. So if you're trying to conceive more, please abstain from soda because it is not good for you trying to conceive and even after conception for your baby, your developing fetus. So we've come to the end of today's video. If you find this video interesting and educative, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and also drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you for sticking with us. Thank you.